In the beginning, the legal system had only the common law. It was strict, rigid, technical, just like the Old Testament law. If your case didn't fit the rules exactly, you couldn't get help. Not because the court hated you, but because the law had limits. That is how humanity was under the law of Moses. The law was perfect, but we were not. So when we failed, the law could only judge us, not save us. Then came equity. When people were oppressed by the strictness of the common law, they went to the king for mercy, and the king directed their cries to the Lord Chancellor, the keeper of his conscience. The Chancellor asks not, what do the strict rules say, but what is the fair thing to do? What is the just thing to do? This became equity, the system that brought mercy where law stopped. This is exactly what God did for us. When the law condemned us, God looked beyond the punishment we deserved and asked, what is the merciful thing to do for my children? And then grace entered. Grace, the ultimate equity. Just as equity stepped in to correct the hardness of the law, Jesus stepped in to correct the judgment of sin. Law said, you broke the rule, you must pay. Grace said, I will pay for you. Law exposed guilt. Equity offered fairness. Grace offered salvation. In law, common law shows strict justice. Equity shows mercy. Grace shows undeserved favor. In faith, the law shows our sin. Jesus, like the Chancellor, mediates for us. Grace gives us what we could never earn. Common law, the law of Moses. The common law can be likened to the law of Moses. Equity can be likened to God's mercy, and grace, the salvation Jesus brought. The way equity perfects and completes the common law is the way grace perfects and completes the law of God. Grace does not destroy the law, it fulfills it, just as equity does not destroy the common law, but completes it.